Hello my friends, I'm going to be doing a ring and ribbon pour today. It's one of my favorite things to do. And I'm going to be having a little fun by randomly choosing 7 colors with the option of only using 6. So I have here a DecoArt Premium paints. My friend Nilda from Online Painting School sent me a bunch of them. She's no longer pouring, but she's doing other types of art, and I encourage you to go check out her channel. So she sent me all of these with the duct tape on them. I already had some, so I've got quite a selection here, although there are many duplicates. So if I pick a duplicate, I'll pick again. So I'm going to pick 3 from here and 4 from there. So my eyes are now closed, and here we go. I'll show you the colors before I see them, so I won't know if I pick any duplicates. 1, and I'll put it over there. Those corners are kind of sharp. 2, 3 from there, and now this one. 1, this one's heavier. Well, maybe I'll go 2, 3, so because I promise you I'm not looking. Let's see, that's 2 and 3. I don't want you to think I was peeking, I'm not. And 4. Okay. Let me move these aside and see what I got. Carbon black. Oh boy. Oh my, burnt umber. Ooh. Cobalt blue hue. Phthalo green yellow. Hansa Yellow Light. Cadmium red hue. And Quinacridone Magenta. Well, I didn't get any duplicates, and I have nearly the primaries there, so that's good. I like that. Maybe the green. So one of these has got to go. Is it going to be the brown or the black? Well, I'm not sure. I'm going to think about it, and I'll mix up my colors. I'll pause, mix up my colors, and I shall return. Okay, I decided to go with the black rather than the burnt umber. And I'm going in this order. I'm going to start with the black, then the Quinacridone Magenta, Cad Red Light, Cad Red Hue, the Hansa Yellow, Phthalo Yellow Green. I don't remember what kind of blue this was, Cobalt Blue Hue, rather. I'll do at least a couple of layers, and let's get started. Maybe 3 layers. I've kind of arranged them in rainbow color. The Cad Red Hue is very much an orange, and I'm considering the Magenta my red. Let me speed this up. Okay, I'm going to stop there and reserve some for ribbon colors if I need it. So here we go. I think I'll do a little bit of a traveling ring pour. Oh, I like that. I like the looks of that very much. My yellow getting lost. Here comes a little bit of it, but it must be a very transparent color. Here's some of it. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay, I'm going to stop for a moment. And I'm going to do some big ribbons. Tilt that around and then come back and add some more. These paints are so beautiful. They're just so vivid and luscious in color. Look at that, isn't that fun? Wow, there's a lot of aircraft activity today. I live near Air Force Base, and it has really picked up in the last few months. Oh, wow, I'm loving it. How fun. I'm glad I'll be able to maintain that yellow and green center there. I used my polyacrylic mix, and it is pretty thick. I used it 3 parts mix to 1 part paint. I'll put the recipe down below, as always, plus a link to a video showing how I mix a big batch of that pouring medium. Oh, isn't that fun? Now I've brought the weight of the paint back to this area, and I'll go and open up these nice lines there, I hope. I should make a playlist of all the times I've picked random colors. I've done it, I think, at least half a dozen times, and it's been pretty fun. Takes the pressure off of deciding what you're going to do when you leave it to chance. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Now just this one little corner. Is it moving? I can't hardly see it at this angle, but I think it's going. There we go. Bring that back a little bit. I'm not going to worry about the edges or the very, very corner. I'll come back when it's dry and paint them a solid color, probably black. Oh, this is fun. I'm liking it very much. Okay, now I need to add some skinny ribbons. I'm done tilting, so I'm going to take my gloves off. And let's see, in the cup I have, I've got kind of orangey red, kind of mud. I think I'll add some yellow. I'll just add these three colors, yellow, green, and blue, to what I've got in the cup, and make some bright ribbons. I should have, no, I think that should work. I could have just drizzled yellow ribbons on top, but I kind of like the blend multiple colored ribbons. And here we go. Where shall I put them? I love that. Okay. Oh no, I did a bad thing. It broke there, but I can't fix that. I did a very careless ribbon there. I wasn't pouring enough out of the cup and it stopped and then started again. I'll just have some floating ribbons. Let's see. Oh, I like that one. Let's draw some attention to that with another ribbon. I need something up here. I like that yellow in there. It really pops on all these other colors. But I like the two or three tones of ribbon there. Look how this starts green and blue and then goes to all three, and then the yellow comes in. Kind of fun. I'm going to add a little more yellow. What happened to my yellow? I know I can hear you, stop, stop, but I'm not going to. I'm going to do one more. There. How fun. Let me bring you in for a closer look. Oh, I didn't realize I had the very top of it out of view there. I'm sorry. And here we go. expect these colors will stay vivid and the lines will stay sharp. A lot of dimension to it when you add thick ribbons and then thinner ones. I think it's a rather exciting piece. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, my friends, and I'll see you next time.